boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 14th, 2023, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested in the binary puzzle number 6922. Yeah. 6922. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double here, 1, there, 1. Double here, 1, there, 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Double O, here, 1, there, 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. I cannot place. Here we have 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place here the fourth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, here we have 3 O's. I cannot place number 4 there. Otherwise, we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solved it again. Without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.